You can be enlightened today. You can be enlightened right now. You don't have to wait until you retire or until you get to some special place or until you have some special experience. You can start today. Here's how to do it. This is step-by-step instructions from an actual non-dual teacher who has been living non-duality for many years. So here's how to actually live non-duality. Now this is a very condensed version of the teachings that are given in a much longer course. But this should give you enough to get started. So the first step to living non-duality is to drop all the concepts. Drop all the concepts of who you think you are, what you think you are, what you think reality is. Drop all the concepts and just be. Be the awareness that is present right now. Don't believe anything you think. This is the first step because if you really understand that you're not the body, you're not the mind, you're not the emotions, then you won't identify with those things. And when you stop identifying with those things, guess what happens? You stop reacting to those things. You stop being disturbed by those things. And life becomes very peaceful. So the second step is to practice being the awareness that is present right now. When you sit down to eat, be the awareness that is present to the food. When you walk outside, be the awareness that is present to the walking. Don't try to figure out who did it, who made it happen. Just be the awareness that is present right now. Who am I? I am the awareness that is present right now. And as you identify yourself with the awareness that is present right now, you will find that there is no one there. There is no one doing anything. It's all just happening. You are the awareness in which all of this appears. You are the awareness in which thoughts appear, emotions appear, sensations appear, the body appears. You are the awareness in which all of this is appearing. And when you really get a taste of that, then you know you're on the right track. The third step is to let go of all desires. The reason we suffer is because we have desires. We want things to be different than the way they are. We want things to happen the way we want them to happen. We want people to do things the way we want them to do things. Let go of all desires and just be content with what is. Because what is already is perfect. What is already is exactly what you need to be happy. You don't need anything else. But because we want to run after happiness, we never actually find it. So the third step is to let go of all desires and just be content with what is. And the fourth step is to just keep doing this. Keep doing these 3 steps over and over and over again throughout the day. And you will find that your life is transformed. You will find that you are enlightened. You will find that you are free. Why haven't I done this before? Because before I heard about non-duality, I used to think that I had to meditate for hours and hours every day to be spiritual, to be enlightened, to be aware. I thought I had to go to some special place. I thought I had to do some special things. I thought I had to read some special books. I thought I had to have some special experiences. But none of that is true. All you have to do is just be the awareness that is present right now. If you're sitting here watching this video, you are already enlightened. You are already non-dual. You are already free. You just have to stop believing all the stories you tell yourself about who you are and what reality is. Stop believing those stories and just be. Now, if you would like some help with that, if you would like to have some guidance with that, if you would like to have some support with that, then we have some wonderful courses online. In those courses, we take you deeper into non-duality. We teach you how to meditate properly, how to sit, how to breathe, how to work with the body and the mind so that you can actually realize your true nature, so that you can actually be enlightened. So if you're interested in that, check out the link below. Thank you very much.